Number 8, you have g of x is equal to f of x negative 2. Your first point is at negative 4, 0, so you will move it down 2 to be negative 4, 2. Your second point is at 0, negative 2, and you'll move it down 2 to be 0, negative 4, and that would be your first line. Your second line has its first point at 0, 0, and you move it down 2 to be 0, negative 2. Your second point is at 4, negative 2, and you move it down 2 to be 4, negative 4. For negative 9, you have g of x is equal to f of x negative 2, and your reference graph is this one. Your first point is at negative 2, negative 2. You move the graph down 2, so you would have negative 4, negative 4. Your second point is at negative 2, 0, and you move it down 2 to be negative 2, negative 2. Your third point is on 0, negative 2, and you'll move it down 2 to be 0, 0. Your fourth point is at 2, 2, and you move it down to be 0, 2, 0. Your fifth point is at 4, 0, and you move it down to be 4, negative 2. This. Then is g of x is equal to negative fx minus 1. You will have to reflect the graph across the x-axis. So if your first point is negative 4, negative 2, you will reflect it to be negative 4, positive 2. Then you would move it to the right 1 unit to be negative 3, positive 2. Your second point is at negative 2, 0, and that point will not be reflected because it is on the x-axis. So you would just move it to the right 1 unit. Your third point is at 0, 2, and you'll reflect it across the x-axis to be 0, negative 2. And you'll move it 1 unit, so you will have 1, negative 2. Your fourth is at 2, 2. So when you reflect it, you will have it at 2, negative 2. You move it 1 unit, and you'll be left with 3, negative 2. Your last unit is at 4, 0, and you cannot reflect it because it's on the x-axis. Therefore, you would just